everyone, it's Ivy Career Arts and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making letter cubes, and this will be for my baby's first birthday. So here is our pattern. My original pattern is actually 11 by 11, but I'll be making 8 by 8. And for each poster board, I'm going to have one cube. And as you can see here, we have, based on our pattern, supposedly we have 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides, but here I only have actually 4.5. So we are going to use 2 sides of this poster board. Like I said, it's 8 by 8, and you have 1 inch allowance for your fold, and like that also, and another inch allowance to cut to put the transparency film. Anyway, what I'm saying will make sense in a little bit as you will see the finished product. And so here's our pattern. The original measurement was 11 by 11, but I only measured 8 by 8 and 1 inch allowance for the flaps and in the folds. So there you go. I connected the extra boards, and now I have 7 squares. So you just cut, 7 sides, and you just cut the inside of each of the side and cut the transparency film with a little bit of an allowance, just enough for your squares right there. And of course, before you put or glue the transparency film, just make sure you are going to trace everything like so. I'll be making 7 boxes here, or cubes, for my baby's name. My baby's Miracle. So yeah, 7 letters. So here's that, just another view. And here's my baby. He's going to be 1. His name is Miracle. He wants to help. And yeah, so there you go. And then that's like without the film. And now I'm ready to fold the sides to make it into a cube. And there you go. So you can use a double-sided tape here as well. That's highly recommended. And this is an easy DIY, low budget. I mean, you can order this from Amazon, but I just decided to make my own. And then here I'm going to glue the letters. There you go. And then put the color, the balloon of your desired color. So this one I have blue because these are extra balloons from his dedication, but I'm actually going to use green for the safari team for his first birthday. So, and then just glue the top portion, and you can save it for next time. And that's Miracle. So his theme is safari, so the balloon is green. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Happy birthday, Miracle. Happy birthday, Miracle. Happy birthday, dear Miracle. Happy birthday to you. All right. Here's your cake. It's your cake. Kau na. Kau na.
There na kay butangan aning kwan there.